In one of our mixing bowls, there are 6 main ingredients that go into making dough: flour, water, salt, sugar, yeast, and oil. And then there's our special goodie bag that makes Domino's pizza dough, Domino's pizza dough.
They make the best pizza, and it's fast. They make it right there, and it's good.
I think consumers love our product because our dough, it is handmade. It is not frozen. Every dough ball that comes off of the line is fresh ingredient. And I think that as the stores make it, and it proofs to that light, fluffy, golden brown, when you take the first bite, you can taste the goodness of every Domino's pizza.